Hello Firebirds! In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about Fremont's tutorial app, the online tool that helps you and your teachers organize tutorial appointments. Let's begin by showing you how to access the website and explore the dashboard. Along the way, you'll learn how to navigate your appointment calendar, create and delete appointments, understand what the different calendar colors represent, and review your recent activities. I'll also show you one of my favorite shortcuts that'll save you time checking into tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to confidently use the tutorial app. Let's get started. First, go to the Fremont High School homepage. Next, click on the Students page. There, you'll see a link called Tutorial App. Click on that link. Once you've arrived at the homepage, log in using your Fremont Google account. Let's take a quick tour of the new dashboard. The appointment calendar gives you an at-a-glance view of all your upcoming and past tutorial appointments. This is where you'll see any appointments that you or your teachers have scheduled. Let's look at an example. Notice that the appointment is in blue. Blue appointments are student created, which means the student scheduled the appointment. Appointments shown in green are teacher created and are mandatory. If you have a green appointment, you're expected to attend that teacher's classroom during tutorial. You will not be able to sign in to a different classroom for that tutorial period. Missing a mandatory tutorial appointment may also result in consequences, such as a detention. Fortunately, this student doesn't have a mandatory appointment schedule, so he is free to visit any of his teachers during tutorial if he needs extra help. If you would like help from one of your teachers, it's a good idea to make an appointment ahead of time. Remember to choose wisely. Tutorial time is your opportunity to catch up on assignments, make up missed work, complete tests or quizzes, and check in with your teachers. Be thoughtful and plan your week according to your needs. The lower your grade in a class, the higher the priority should be to attend that class for tutorial. Next, let's take a look at how to create and delete a tutorial appointment. You can just tap here, or you can pick the date on the calendar, and you're all set. A form will pop up where you confirm the date, choose your teacher, make sure you have tutorial as your event type, and then give a quick reason. This lets your teachers know what level of support you'll need. Click Create Appointment. It's that easy. Notice that the appointment we created appears in blue. Blue appointments are the ones you created yourself. If you want to edit an appointment that you created, simply click on the appointment. From there, you can choose to edit or delete the appointment if your plans have changed. As you use the tutorial app, the calendar colors make it easy to quickly identify which appointments you scheduled for yourself and which ones require your attendance. You can find the color key below. The event type shows who created the appointment. Green, a teacher scheduled you. Blue, you scheduled yourself. And gray means you just walked in. Notice there's a corner dot that shows your check-in status. Green, you checked in where you were supposed to. Red, you showed up somewhere else when you had an appointment. And white means your check-in was not recorded. All right, we're almost done. Your attendance history lives here. Every tutorial session, who you were scheduled with, and whether you checked in. This is a great way to keep track of where you've been and make sure everything looks right. I promised you a shortcut you could use to check in. This is your personal barcode. Take a picture of your barcode so teachers can scan it to check you in instantly. No need to type your student ID. One last thing before we wrap up. Throughout the school year, there will be times when Fremont has a closed tutorial. During a closed tutorial, you'll remain in the class you're in immediately before a tutorial, rather than attending another teacher's classroom. And that's it. You're ready to use the tutorial app. Remember, you're in control of your tutorial time. Use it wisely to get extra help, catch up on assignments, connect with your teachers, and make the most of every tutorial. Have a fantastic school year, Firebirds.